Somebody moved the loader over about 8 or 10 feet. Yeah, that was the same. We're talking about the same one. It was Dickerson. The Ruger PC9 has a backpack version. It's a little more expensive, and it has a way where you can disconnect the barrel, but the backpacker version of it, it has a setup with the stock, so that you can collapse it and lock it into itself, and then put it and then you can put it in a backpack, and it shoots 9 mil.
You are like, why do you need an AR? Why do you want an AR? The same reason I want to control better.
Well, a lot of people don't even know what an AR is. It's just, it looks scary.
They think the AR stands for
assault rifle.
I was watching some of the videos of the riots in California, and I hear Minnesota. Chicago is pretty bad now too.
Yep, they've had some, nothing like the others, but they have had like raids in Hartford and stuff. I heard Trump's approval ratings went way up after all this. Trump's approval ratings went way up here recently since the riots.
Well, you see a couple of certain that you tried to run into the cops in their motorcycles, and they I think one cop home, one of the guys actually driving by, got him running.
But he killed him with a gun?
No, I think he either had his baton or his arm, and got the guy right in the neck and knocked him right off the bike as he was trying to drive by. Yesterday, that was going to bed edging. He's a former New York corrections officer.
Why isn't he living in New York?
What's that?
Why he's not living in New York?
Yeah, he's like, Connecticut is way more calm. But
still liberal, but calm.
Yeah. He's like, I'm going to go to New York. He's like, if you want a career in law enforcement, go to New York. I'm like, he's like, well, that's where the money is. I'm like, there's a reason why they're going to be teaching this money in New York.
That's the living.
Bribing.
What? You may get shot today. You might get spat in your face. All this wild.
LAPD's bad. Apparently, everybody on the force is trying to leave or resign as fast as possible.
Movies out.
Well, it's bad because the town, that's something bad goes down. Like the town's not supporting the officer.
Yeah.
Well, they arrest the criminals, and then a day later they're already out and about.
Yeah.
They're dealing with the same routine offenders.
Like some of the illegal criminals they're arresting, these got 5 charges in LA in the past 4 months. The administration, they released a list of all the people they've arrested in LA so far, and they're all multi-time offenders in the U.S. And that's what they're protesting over. You can't arrest multi-time offenders in the U.S. who are illegal in the past 1 month. unconstitutional.
I blew a lot of it out once. I blew a lot of it out once. Yeah. Yes. Bring the front edge up where you can see it.
What?
Bring the front edge up where you can see it.
I can see it.
Okay.